So it looks like it's a cabinet, but you walk through the cabinet basically to get into the space. Instead of having your typical wire shelves or just normal pantry shelves, there's lower cabinets, floating wood shelves, and then maybe bringing in some accent of wallpaper, and then a fun little niche to hold all your spices.
This is kind of a popular thing now to hide the pantry behind cabinet doors. So it just looks like a tall cabinet, you open the doors and it's a pass through to a funky little room in this project. It's weird angles. It's kind of hard to work with. I did modify a little bit of the walls to make it a little bit more accommodating.